do videos.
Wait, I need a good thumbnail. Pretend like you're scared.
Oh, I am scared.
No, but pretend like it though. I can't see the fear.
What am I supposed to
I don't know. I can't see the fear. Be more scared. Damn, they're running. Hey, call your hits.
Hey, you're shooting teammates, man. That's not allowed.
Hey, that's not allowed.
I love them.
And then it. Give me those things.
It's so big. It's so big. It's so big. I'm on the hunt for a white brick that says GBBR on it.
Pull it, pull it. Oh. Oh. Did you just shoot him in the back of the head? Oh, it got real close.
What's up guys? My name's Eddie and this is the Maruyama 5PC sent to me by Lancer Tactical. Now, pretty much the only reason I asked for this is because it looks cool as f. But I was pleasantly surprised to find out that this thing is actually amazing and I'm never gonna touch my MP9s again. The only bad thing I can say about it is do not drop the magazines because the feed lips might as well be made from chalk with how easy they break on impact. Anyway, huge thanks to my patron and channel members who stuck with me during the downtime during this last month, and let's get into the video.
I'll save you maybe. Oh, later. That was sick ass one ball. Later. Alright, 2 for 3. Take your head out again, come on. Oh! Where? That one hit. There we go. There we go. Dude, I'm telling you, this shit's lasers. Ah! Oh. Chris, why didn't you tell me they were so close?
I didn't see them.
Jesus! Alright, I cleared them all out. Hey! How many I got left? Like 10? Help me! Oh! Carter, kill him! He's rapping! No, left! Another corner! Are we good to our right? No, that's your left. Your other right. There's 2 behind the mesh. Got to be 1 less. Alright, I'm not watching for a sec. Longest reload in history. Because I load out of my pocket. Alright. I don't think he's pushing up anytime soon. Woo-hoo-hoo! 2 there. Bye. Ain't no way.
Hey, can I be going to this side right here?
Aw, man.
Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Who's the single player right here?
Me.
What side's you?
No, put me back. What the f is that? That's loud as hell. Damn.
Yeah.
What's it at?
100.
Ooh.
Jesus.
Please don't hurt me.
I can't make any promises.
Huh?
I can't make any promises. You good, dude? Go, 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 go. Surrender. Surrender, 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 surrender. What did you say? What did you say, Derek? What did you say? What did you say? Oh. You missed? I have 2 whole mags.
Oh shit!
Oh. Got a jam.
Yeah, I already like the sight a lot.
Bye. Bye. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Watch out! You weren't supposed to move. What?
4.
Oh, that was a high five. Nice banger.
Nice cock.
Nice cock! Why'd it get all quiet when I said that?
Oh no!
Oh.
No! 50 bucks.
50 bucks. 50 bucks.
I think I might say it.
Okay. Doesn't bother me none. Now 1 mag left. Where is he? Where is he? My shins are cramping. I'll be there in 3 to 5 business days. Did that? Oh, no, no, no. Come on, Chris, 1 ball him. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris. Come on, Pro Airsofter. Oh, house 4 doorway. Ooh. All right, Pro Strats. Oh, sorry, I'll take it, I'll take it. No, stand, stand. Oh, shit. Oh, Chris got bang banged. Oh, oh, oh. I'm as far over as I can be. I have a 1/4 of a cheek on the edge.
1/4 of a cheek?
Yeah, just about. He's here to make sure I don't overshoot people.
Yeah.
And also,
He doesn't do that himself.
and also respect the minimum engagement distance.
Oh, there you go. That's nice. He's like your little guardian.
Eddie,
That's cute.
you haven't gotten in trouble yet.
If I haven't gotten in trouble yet, I doubt I ever will.
You're too famous to get in trouble.
Ooh, should have told me that.
Sitting in a tree. Okay, yes.
Click, click.
ING. Oh, not my teeth.
I'm gonna stand right here till I figure out where they're at. Watch, we see 7 of them go right to left. Oh, there's 1. Let me, oh, he's kind of got aim. Kind of got a big head too, though. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding. Oh! Oh. The dust. Bye-bye. Get up! That's team. That's team. Oh! It chugged, but it did it.
It was really struggling. It was like,
Dugga-da, dugga-da, dugga-da.